Okay, well, Parramatta, looking at the light rail line that's under construction out to Carlingford. You'll see the track work right through there if you get up to the fence, but anyway, looking along here. So double track will be along here. Couple of different views along here. Now there will be a battery, but trams will be battery powered in the centre of this city of Parramatta. New South Wales government. Transforming, get on the move, etc. Right, anyway. So I'll have a quick look along here. It's a good position to get a good bit of a view on the tracks. The future Parramatta to Carlingford line due to open next year, I understand. Now that bus is La Perouse, and in the old days there was a tramway balloon loop around this area in general. Where the bus turns around, this is was a loop. Just looking around, we'll see there's the existing La Perouse bus stop. A bus arriving, and it actually says it's not in service, but it's in La Perouse. Tram going over the crossover, and it's going to come back Kingsford Juniors. It's a service, so it might be elsewhere. I don't know what happened to it. Still running the 10-car trams on this service, but only every 15 minutes. Departing for Aruga Beach. Tram leaving Chalmers Street Central Station, heading towards Randwick with the delightful all-over advertising obscuring the view. A couple of buses here to Abbotsford terminus. Bus at Abbotsford terminus, and another one parked here. Light rail vehicle tram, in other words, that are arriving in Marion on its way to Alberton. coming into Railway Colonnade. A little bit dark in here, but it's going off back up to Dulwich Hill. I mentioned earlier that these type of trams were used on the Kingsford and Randwick routes, and now being used on this line because the trams had cracks in the bogies, I understand. They take quite a while to repair. So this is about to go, get a shot of it going away. A few seconds, let's say. This is a two-car DMU known as the Bathurst Bullet coming into Central Station Platform 3. Going from, there we go, that's nice, thank you, Sydney to Bathurst. Okay, we're just arriving in, here we are, we're coming to Lithgow, and here's one of the B set in storage at present, looking very impressive actually. There's another set, second set right here. Wow, that looks good. And a third set, even 4 sets up here. Wow. They're in storage at present, but not actually in use as yet, but will be shortly. The Bathurst train leaving Lithgow. A bus in Lithgow, suburban bus service. There's a Route 406 bus going to 5 Dock. It's in Ashfield. A couple of buses coming through Coyle. These are a red paint scheme. The reason is, from what they used to call the Metro bus system, the name has been dropped because of the introduction of the Metro trains. The Route 477 bus coming through Coyle. A couple of buses here to Coyle. Bus in Hurstville. I've got several coming down here. train going to Kiama from Wollongong. Arriving at Port Kembla, this is passing the Port Kembla loco depot as we come into the platform here. 8153 there. This is actually Port Kembla. There's another one, 60, what did it say, 65. And as I said, we're arriving in the platform here. Train will terminate. Yeah. Another glance at this Pacific National. We are at Picton, and this is the Goulburn train sitting here, and will be departing very shortly, hopefully. We'll go over and get a return service towards Campbelltown. The train is heading off to Muswellbrook and Goulburn. Here comes the little two-car DMU coming in from Muswellbrook, going to go to Campbelltown. Okay, well, we're about to approach a flour mill, which will have locomotives and wheat wagons in storage there. Here it's coming up now, but it should have a chance of getting that. Here we go. Wheat wagons. Mungo Scott is called the flour company. There's the locomotives coming up. Triple header. A Route 406 bus in Asheville.
This train will stop at Ashfield.
It's Kangi, but it's actually empty. It's for D seats. There might be some D seats in there somewhere. There they are. No, I can't see them very well. Trees. All you can see is we're approaching the Cardiff workshops. That's Cardiff in New South Wales, not in Wales. There we are. There's a couple of locomotives and everything in there. Not that much in there really. No, not much. Yeah, not much. This is what is known as a DMU. It's a Hunter rail car.
Yes, sir, we had a thing.
And it's coming into Newcastle interchange. It'll be going to be going on it out to Maitland.
So, dear passengers, the train on platform number 2 is the 359 tomorrow service. Anyway, so we'll be on
heading off to Talara. Got a Coyle train here. And another Coyle train going on the distance as well. Very early in the morning at Muswellbrook. Empty Coyle train. 17th of February 2022. At Muswellbrook railway station, and the train's been replaced by a bus to Newcastle. This is becoming all too familiar and typical now during this pandemic. Empty coal train at Muswellbrook. School bus in Muswellbrook. Triple-headed loaded coal train is coming through the middle road at Muswellbrook on its way to the port in Newcastle. trains are about over a mile long, so that's why I only film a little bit of it at each end. Each of these wagons contains 100 tonnes of coal. Here comes the train from Armidale and Moree going to Sydney. This is at Muswellbrook.